If you're considering TenantSphere for your property management needs, there are a few things you should know before making your decision. We'll break it all down and help you see how it stacks up against competitors in the real estate property management software space. Stay tuned to find out what sets TenantSphere apart and why it may or may not be the best fit for you. First thing to keep in mind is TenantSphere's pricing structure. While many property management platforms offer tiered pricing based on the number of units you manage, TenantSphere's pricing tends to be more affordable for smaller portfolios. However, if you're managing a larger portfolio, you may find the pricing scaling less favorably compared to other competitors. Next thing to know is that TenantSphere offers a centralized dashboard that gives you a 360-degree view of your properties. This includes tracking leases, rent payments, maintenance requests, and more. It's a good feature, but if you're looking for something highly customizable, TenantSphere's dashboard might feel a little too rigid for your needs. The third thing to consider is the mobile app. TenantSphere offers a solid mobile application, but its functionality isn't as robust as some of its competitors. If you're someone who needs full access to all features while on the go, you might find this app limiting compared to others on the market. Now let's talk about integrations. TenantSphere offers a range of integrations, but they're not as extensive as those offered by other real estate software providers. If you rely on third-party tools like QuickBooks or other specialized software, you might run into some roadblocks here. The fifth thing is customer support. TenantSphere generally gets positive reviews for customer service, but it's important to note that their support isn't available 24/7. Some competitors offer 24-hour support, which could be crucial if you're managing properties in multiple time zones. Next thing, reporting. TenantSphere offers basic reporting features, which are great for tracking performance across your portfolio. However, it lacks the advanced reporting options that you get with some of the top-tier property management software platforms, so if detailed reports are a priority, it may not be the most powerful choice. The seventh thing to be aware of is TenantSphere's maintenance management tools. It offers standard features like work order creation and status tracking, but its system doesn't provide the same depth of reporting or custom workflows as some competitors, which might limit your efficiency if you handle a large number of maintenance requests. The eighth thing you need to know is that TenantSphere has a fairly straightforward lease management system. It helps track key lease dates and offers automatic reminders, which can be a big time saver. But if you're in need of more advanced lease tracking, such as customized clauses or integrations with your legal tools, TenantSphere might not have you fully covered. The ninth thing to consider is payment processing. TenantSphere makes it easy for tenants to pay rent online, but it doesn't offer the same range of payment options that other competitors do. For example, if you want to offer cryptocurrency payments or more diverse methods, you'll have to look elsewhere. Next thing, TenantSphere does have a strong set of marketing tools to help you find new tenants. However, the platform doesn't offer as many integrations with popular listing sites as some of its competitors, which could limit your reach if you rely on broad advertising. The 11th thing is scalability. While TenantSphere works well for small to medium portfolios, it's not the best choice for large-scale property managers. If you plan on growing your portfolio, you may find the software doesn't scale as well as some of the more robust competitors on the market. Finally, TenantSphere offers decent security, with features like encrypted communication and secure payment processing. However, if your properties require more advanced security features, like two-factor authentication for every user, you might want to look at other software that provides more comprehensive data protection options. To wrap it up, TenantSphere is a solid option for smaller property managers who need a simple and affordable platform with essential features. But if you're looking for more advanced tools, better scalability, and greater flexibility, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.